Hello everyone, it's Tufik from TechSecurityUSA, located in Seattle, Washington. Welcome back to another unboxing video where today we'll be unboxing ourselves a GPS anti-theft terminator, which is an advanced detector for GPS devices, camera devices, or any other wireless devices hidden in any site or any place you are in. This is used to detect for anti-sneak shot, anti-monitoring, and anti-tracking positioning using strong magnetic detection. And as we see here, the following box is pretty generic, but also pretty comprehensive. It says here, maybe your privacy has been seen at a glance, but you don't know. So this is used to detect to see if your privacy is being violated through hidden wireless devices being put in place without your knowledge. We go here and unbox the following contents. What you get yourself is the quick start guide. This gives you a very comprehensive description of what this device does. Here is the device itself. And here is the antenna. This is really well packaged and really well secured. That's how you know it's a very high quality product. Taking out the paper stuff here, you get the charger and the magnetic detector. So we pull out the detector over here. As you notice, this detector over here it's a really well designed and really simple device also to use. As you see over here, you have the dial to adjust the frequency of how much you want to detect. This right here is where you screw on the antenna if you want to do satellite monitoring, and also this is where you would screw in the magnetic detector to detect any magnetic wireless devices for further inspection. If you have any questions in regards to features or pricing of this product, feel free to give us a call at 206-787-0224 or visit us at our website at www.techsecurityusa.com. I'm Tufik, and I'm signing off.